Hello everyone, this is Satish sir. Today we are going to start with the lecture of SSC Board Grade 10 Mathematics Part 2. It is Geometry chapter number 6, which is Trigonometry. As per I got request from some student that they feel some difficulties in trigonometry, like remembering the formulas and solving the sum, just because you might have not did trigonometry properly in the 9th standard, which is the basic of trigonometry. So today we'll start with the formulas first, then we'll study the table, trigonometric table, the value of sine, cos, tan, ka 30, 60, 90 and all that, and then later on we'll start with the exercise sums, so that it will be clear to you how to solve the trigonometric sum during your board exam. So let's begin with the formula. So this is the trigonometry, and you all know that always we are dealing, if we are solving any sums in trigonometry, we need a right angle triangle. So assume that we have a right angle triangle. We named it as A, B, C. This is 90 degree. So beta, here the case arises that always it will be A, C, or sometimes we'll get angle also. If suppose sum of three angle is 180 degree. So if this is 90 degree, so sum of these two remaining will be 90 degree. So if this angle ko we are taking theta, so this will be 90 minus theta. So this thing you should be keep in mind before solving with the sum. If one angle is theta, so other will be 90 minus theta. Now go for the basic thing. This is called the trigonometric ratio. Trigonometric ratio, that is your formulas. The first one is sine theta. Sine theta, suppose this is a theta, so sine theta will be always beta opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite means what beta? Whatever angle you are taking, if you are considering this angle, so opposite will be this, and adjacent will be this, and this will always remain hypotenuse. At the same time, if we consider the angle as 90 minus theta, see I have taken two different colors so that it will be clear. If you are taking sine 90 minus theta, so for this angle, this will act as opposite angle and this will act as adjacent angle. Okay, hope this is clear how the opposite and adjacent angle is being taken. So without wasting much time, we'll go to the point. If sine theta is there, so sine theta का formula is opposite side upon hypotenuse. Okay, side opposite to 30 is theta upon hypotenuse. The second one is cos theta. Cos theta may we have adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Okay, adjacent side to this theta upon hypotenuse. The third one is tan theta. Tan theta is opposite side upon adjacent side. Okay, opposite to theta angle upon adjacent angle. Now once you get sine, cos, tan, no need to read all 6 trigonometric ratio. If you remember sine, cos, tan, automatically you remember the remaining one. Just we need to remember the inverse. The fourth one is sine, cos. Sine ka opposite is cosec theta. So cosec theta will be opposite upon hypotenuse side, become hypotenuse upon opposite side. So this is your cosec. Now the fifth one is sec theta. Sec theta is hypotenuse upon adjacent side. And the sixth one is cot theta is equals to adjacent side upon opposite side. This is how beta we can get this all basic trigonometric ratios. Accordingly beta you can name the sides, like if you take sin theta, so opposite is AB, so it will be AB upon AC. Now adjacent means BC upon AC, then opposite upon adjacent, that is AB upon BC. Same way this is inverse, so this become AC upon AB. This will be AC upon BC. And the last one is BC upon AB. So in this way beta, and if further we get the value, we can substitute and get the answer. Now next we'll go, after trigonometric ratio we have some more formula, like the first one is sin theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta, which I had explained you all before only. If we have sin theta, so it will be cos 90 minus theta. Second is cos theta is equals to sin 90 minus theta. Same way beta, third one is if we have tan theta, so tan theta will be cot 90 minus theta. Fourth one is cot theta is equals to tan 90 minus theta. The fifth one is cosec theta is equals to sec 90 minus theta. And the sixth one is sec theta is equals to cosec 90 minus theta. So these are some which are related to your 9th standard. Now some more are there, all 6 के लिए one by one. See, if you remember, there are, if you are going to see countably, it will come more, but if you logically study, it will go very simple. I'll explain you what is that logic. The first formula is sin theta into cosec theta is equals to 1. Okay, now sin theta into cosec theta is equals to 1. So sin theta will be 1 upon cosec theta. This is your second one. Third one will be cosec theta is equals to 1 upon sin theta. Now the next one is fourth. Fourth is cos theta into sec theta is equals to 1. So this cos ko will keep here only, sec will pull this side. So it will give you cos theta is equals to 1 upon sec theta. Same way sec theta is equals to 1 upon cos theta. This is the fifth one. This is the sixth one. Now seventh is cot theta into tan theta is equals to 1. So tan theta is equals to 1 upon cot theta, and cot theta is equals to 1 upon tan theta. So see beta, there are altogether 9 formulas which come just from 1, 2 and this 3. So if you remember the number 1, 4 and 7, automatically you can remember the remaining formula, so that automatically the 9 formula will be remembered to you. Now some more formulas are like sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So this will be sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta we can write, or cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, so sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. From this we can get this. So this will be a 10, 11, 12. Now beta, there is one more, that is 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. So that is, with 10 will take this side, or first we'll take 1. So tan square theta is equals to sec square theta minus 1, or it will be 1 is equals to sec square theta minus tan square theta. So this is a relation between 1 plus tan theta is equals to sec theta. The next we can take as 1 plus cosec 1 plus sec square theta. Sec to already we done, so we are left with only tan cot and cosec. So for that, okay, so that is 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. Here also we can deal with this only, like this only. 17th will be cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta minus 1, or 1 is equals to cosec square theta minus cot square theta. So see beta, this all formula what we have studied, this will help you out to prove the exercise 1.6.1 will start. So the next question is prove that LHS is equals to RHS. This all formula will help you to solve those sums. Now the most important part is trigonometric table. How to remember the trigonometric table? Maximum student feels difficulty to do that. No need to worry. I'll show you the simple trick. Before going to write that trigonometric table, only thing you need to write. See what we are going to write. First we'll write 0 and leave some space. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, this becomes too close. This is 3 and this is 4. See, first of all you need to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what we'll do? We'll divide all terms by 4. We can divide all terms by 4, so that, okay, so this is what I explained you all. Write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and divide all the terms by 4. Now after this, we'll try to find the answer. 0 upon 4, we all know that it is 0. 1 upon 4, maybe we can't do any change. But here we can cancel 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So it will give you 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4 will remain 3 upon 4 only, 4 1s are 4 1s are, so here we'll get 1. After finding this, we need to find its square root. So see, square root of 0, square root of 4, square root of 1 by 2, square root of 3 by 4 and square root of 1. So you know that square root of 0 will be 0 only. See, I am leaving some space. Why? That I'll explain you later. Leave 1 or 2 line if you are writing a table. 0 ka square root is 0, 1 ka square root is 1 and 4 ka square root is 2. Then here, that is this square root of 1 upon 4 is 1 by 2. This will be 1 ka square root 1. 2 ka we don't have square root, so we'll write this as under root. 3 ka root we don't have the value, so this will be root 3 and 4 ka square root is 2 and 1 ka square root is 1. Now beta, we'll write the angles. This is your 0 degree, this is your 30 degree, this is your 45 degree, this is your 60 degree, and this is your 90 degree. So you can check, make a table so that it will become convenient for you to understand. So after this beta, after making the table, we draw a line so that it will divide it. So this is your angles and this is your ratios. Okay, so first one is sine. You can check from the table. We got sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 45 is 1 upon root 2, sine 60 is root 3 upon 2, and sine 90 is 1. After this, how to get the remaining beta? That's important. Sine के बाद we'll take cos theta. Cos को what you have to do? No need to go again everything. Just we'll interchange. Sine 90 will come here. This 0 will copy here. This root 3 upon 2 will come here. And this 1 upon 2 will come here. And this 1 upon root 2 will be carry forward as it is. So this will give you a cos का formula. Okay, cos 30, 60, 45, 60 and 90 का values. Now the next one is tan theta. As we know that beta, tan theta is equals to sin theta upon cos theta. So that means we need to divide this upon this. So 0 upon 1. As we know, 0 upon anything is 0. And this will be beta 1 upon 2, full upon root 3 upon 2. So just divide this denominator and numerator upon numerator. That is 1 upon root 3. Here root 2 cancel, 1 upon 1, that is 1. Here 2 cancel, root 3 upon 1, that is root 3. 1 upon 0 is undefined. We don't have its value. So just we put a dash. After getting tan, we won't follow the order of sine, cos, tan, cosec. After we got tan, we'll go for cot theta. Now we'll go for cot. As sine and cos may become inverse, cot also inverse of tan. So this 0 will copy here. This undefined will come here. 1 upon root 3 will come here. This root 3 will followed by here. And this 1 will be carried forward as it is. So we got the value of cot theta. Now the next one is cosec theta. Cosec is what we have just now studied here. Cosec is equals to 1 upon sine. So we'll just inverse it. Means 1 upon ले लेंगे. So 1 upon 0 is not defined. This will come ulta. Okay, inverse हो जाएगा. 1 upon 2 will give you 2 upon 1. 1 upon root 2 will give you root 2 upon 1, that is root 2. Root 3 upon 2 will give you 2 upon root 3, and 1 upon 1 will be 1 only. Once you got the cosec ka value, the last one left, that is sec theta. Sec theta may also will interchange. This dash will come here undefined. This is 1. This 2 will come here. This 2 upon root 3, and this is root 2. So these are the values what we studied. The trigonometric ratio. Hope you feel easy to understand this table. No need to mug up everything. Just follow the instruction. I am giving a brief revision. Just write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Draw all the number by 4. Get the value. Take a square root of all number. Whatever value you will get, that will be your sine ka. After getting sine, just interchange it. Will get the value of cos. Okay. Once you got sine and cos, tan is equals to sine upon cos. So just divide this upon this. So sine का numerator upon cos का numerator. Similarly, sine का numerator upon cos का numerator. Sin का numerator upon cos का numerator. Here also same. We got 10. Once you got 10, take a cot. Cot में we interchange it as we did in sin on cos. So we got 10 and cot का value. Cosec is 1 upon sin. So we'll interchange. This is 0. So 1 upon 0 is undefined. 1 upon 2 का it becomes 2 upon 1, that is 2. 1 upon root 2 का root 2 upon 1, that is root 2. Root 3 upon 2 will give you 2 upon root 3. 1 upon 1 will be 1 upon 1. Then sec will be interchanged by this number, and in this way we finish with the table. I think two more formulas, small formulas are left. One is here tan theta, that is sin theta upon cos theta, and the 20th one is cot theta, that is cos theta upon sin theta. So in this way, beta, if you check, we have this 20 plus 6, 26, and this 30, 26 plus 6, that is 32. So 32 formulas. Out of that, I would think so you will feel difficulties as I start mark. If you study these 3 formula, automatically 9 formula will be done. Similarly, if you do this 10th ka formula, if you remember, automatically 11th and 12th you come to know. If you do the 13th one, if you remember 13th one, automatically 14th and 15th come to know. If you do this 16th one, so 17 and 18 will be come to know, and just do the 19 and 20. So finally, overall we will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, and 6, 7, 8. Just we need to remember 8 formula. Automatically, the 20 formula will be done for you. Okay. So friend, straight as you told that after doing this all start formulas, these two are more start formula. It will be easy to remember all the formulas. So we'll stop our video here for solving the exercise sums. We'll find in the next part. For that, like our channel, subscribe and share with your friends, so that if anyone is there in need, they will get the easy to how to remember the formulas and how to solve the sums. It will be helpful for them also with you. Thank you.